In this segment, we'll explore the insightful metric called devices. This metric provides a detailed overview of the devices visitors use to access your website within a specific time range. Our platform presents this information through a user-friendly donut chart. This chart visually represents the ratio of devices, such as mobiles, tablets, and desktops, used by visitors. Let's dive into the key components. Another crucial aspect we analyze is the browser usage. The diagram displays the ratio of different browsers employed by visitors to your website. Recognizing the predominant browsers can assist you in ensuring compatibility and delivering an optimized browsing experience. Screen size usage. Our platform also offers insights into screen resolutions. A dedicated chart diagram shows the ratio of various screen resolutions used by visitors accessing your website. This information proves valuable in tailoring your content and design to suit the most prevalent screen sizes. By leveraging these metrics, you gain a comprehensive understanding of your audience's device preferences, enabling you to make informed decisions to enhance your website's performance. Feel free to explore these features on our platform for a more hands-on experience.